Good. Parang nakakapagod tayo. Okay. Is everybody doing great? Alright, let's keep that energy going because we are going to know more about a human and animal run or a pet run. So if you have a pet like Venus over here, she's a very good dog. Say hi to everybody. Okay? So, mamaya makakilala mo yung dogs. Okay, so welcome to the Pet Funland press conference. My name is Felipe Perez and I'll be your host for this afternoon. And let's start the program with, of course, a prayer and an opening remark by Miss Jam Janisha. Okay, let's start the prayer with Miss Sheila first.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Heavenly Father, we gather here today, filled with excitement and anticipation, as we launch the Pet Anland Fund. We thank you for the gift of our beloved animal companions, who bring this so much joy, laughter, and unconditional love into our lives. Bless this endeavor, Lord. May this fun run not only be a celebration of a special band we share with our pets, but also a successful event that raises awareness and support our furry friends in need. Guide our steps as we work together to make this launch a resounding success, reaching many hearts and inspiring generosity. May the spirit of fun, camaraderie, and compassion fill this gathering. We pray for the safety and well-being of all who will participate and support this event. Thank you for your constant love and guidance. We offer this prayer in your holy name. Amen. Thank you.
Alright, and to welcome us all, please give a big hand to none other than Miss Jam Janisha.
Hi everyone. We are so grateful for coming, and I would like to acknowledge everyone and thank you for having us also. And again, Thursday afternoon to everyone, and thank you for sparing your precious time with us to be part of the Best Online Press Conference. So we are truly grateful and honored with your presence. With the initiative from Triumph Collective, a group of events team composed of JN Events, BBB, and Golden Tree. So we unite to come up with an exciting and worthwhile fun run for a cause for 2025. So before we proceed with the program proper, may I acknowledge the presence of our media friends who took time to attend and be with us in this event to help spread the word and promote our upcoming events. So thank you so much again, and I hope you enjoyed the day.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Jam, for that sincere opening remark. We are very excited for the upcoming run happening this May. Let's make the summer even more hotter. But with that being said, may I invite you guys to sit up front? Yes, together with our dear baby girl. Of course, to tell us more about the different details, all the details that we would like to know, of course, from JN Events and Branding Consultancy, paborito natin to, lahat ng run natin, please welcome Ms. Nika Ramos.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Okay?
Okay. So, sige. So, we'll run through lang with our pet fun land, a fun day with your pet pals. Okay. So, the event will happen on May 25. So, this is an exciting event celebrating the brand. Yeah. So, this will be held na May 25 here at Alabang Town Center. So, dito siya sa may CBTL activity area. The program will start at 4 a.m. So, now we have yung mga race distances namin. So, let me explain. Ay, wala na. Oh no. Okay, there. Sorry. So, we have 1 kilometers. This one has yung for 900. This one actually intended for our small dogs. Yan. And then the 3 kilometers is for our
mga medium dogs, pero pwede pa rin sumali doon yung small dogs if kaya nila. And then the 5 km are intended for our big pets po. Yun. So this one, we also have the 10-kilometer category. It's for the humans only. Kasi marami rin po, lalo na yung mga runner groups natin, running clubs na nag-a-ask if they can run also na sila lang, ganyan. So 10 km for the humans only. And then we opened also another category for human only, for all the categories, for kids, for the seniors, for everyone, at 1,000. So, this fee is inclusive of yung sa racing kit natin. Yeah. And then also would like to tell everyone that this run is for the benefit of Mama's Cradle. So later, Miss Karina here will talk about a bit about the foundation. So we really wanted also to give back to the community, especially to our mga pet friends and all. So it will be explained also later. The next po. Okay, so there. Are you ready? So, okay. Ayan. So, this one po yung race kit natin. So, we'll be giving out for all the categories, a race shirt, our finisher medal, and then the doggy bandana for our pets. And then we have also the race bibs. Tapos may separate din na doggy medal. So, it's a smaller version for our pets. Ayan. So this one po, it's the tentative pa lang po yung ating race route since we're still getting approvals from all the establishments and all the roads po. Pero this one po, it will be starting here, dun po sa may driveway area, yung start finish, and then ikot din po siya sa upper deck parking ng Alabang Town Center, and then paikot po siya sa may Commerce Ave, Acacia, may konting Zapote, and then, pabalik na rin po ng Alabang Town Center. We hope na ito yung ma-approve rin na road kasi ito yung mas safe din for our runners din po and for our pet friends. Okay, so for the program, so 4:30 will start assembly time here po sa may CBTL area. And then we'll do the warm-up, and then let's do parang konting walk lang. Kasi ang gun start natin doon po banda sa may driveway. And then we'll start 5 o'clock for the gun start of 10 kilometers. And then 5:15 for the 5 kilometers. And then 5:30 for the 3 kilometers. And 5:45 for 1 kilometer. And then 6:30 will be our cool-down Zumba. And then 7 a.m. will be awarding and raffle. So we'll be awarding top 3 finishers for male and female, depende na po dun sa dog categories, and then, yun. And then for the humans, for the 10 kilometers. Okay, so ito yung kakaiba din po sa run na to. So kaya nga siya Pet Fun Land, kasi we'll be extending our program until the mall opens. So we are so grateful for Alabang Town Center for giving us this opportunity also to conduct here the Pet Fun Land. So at 11 a.m., we'll be opening the Pet Bazaar. So we have here our merchants, our sponsors, who will be giving discounts, freebies, and also sale items during the event. So kahit dun sa fun run, they will be giving already mga sampling loot bags for all the runners. And then we'll be opening also the Pet Bazaar naman for the mall goers. So, and then we'll be having 1 p.m. kasi may registration. We'll be having pet activities together with our activity partners, PCCI. So we'll have the pet parade, and then we'll be having raffle and games, and then pet fashion show, and then awarding of the fashion show. The Pet Bazaar, so will be starting from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So for the sponsors, sobrang malaking opportunity din to for the brand na hindi lang doon sa mga runners natin, extended to even to the mall goers as well. And then after, okay, so ito yung mga pet activities na magyayari din. So may mga merchants tayo, may mga pa-food sa pets, kung may pa vaccination and all, and then other mga activities po dito sa CBTL area. Ayun. So, there. Thank you so much. So, we hope na you help us promote this run and you register. And, yun, kita-kit po tayo sa May 25. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Nika. Okay, please be seated for providing us a very exciting activity calendar of activities happening on May 25. Okay, and of course, you know, this is the first organization that I would like to present you that it is a non-stop, non-profit, service-oriented corporation that promotes and encourages love for purebred dogs. They maintain a registry of purebred dogs or stud dogs and conduct dog shows and competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, of course, everybody should know this, the Philippine Canine Club Incorporated, together with the representative, Miss Lizette.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. I'm Lisa po, representative po ng Philippine Canine Club. I'm happy po na naging part ako ng this activity po. Thank you for Ms. Jam. And for this, para po sa run na to, nakapost na po ito sa page ng PCCI. And for all the members of Philippine Canine Club po, we have a discount. Discounted po para sa mga members po ng ating PCCI members po. For the whole activity po, nakasupport po ang PCCI from the pet parade, pet bazaar, and the pet fashion show, kakandak po natin. And then, for the whole day po, let's enjoy the day para po sa ating mga pets. For fun, para po ma-encourage naman po natin yung mga ibang pets na maging socialize po sa mga kapwa pet nila. And then, ma-exercise sa umaga, socialization po sa afternoon. And then, for the whole day activity, sana maging successful and enjoy lang po natin ang ating day para po sa kanila. Thank you po.
All right, thank you so much to our friends from PCCI. And next, it is a very nice privilege to introduce because this organization is providing local animal care and shelter in Cavinti, Laguna. Okay, this organization will be the beneficiary of this advocacy fund run. Okay, and I'm honored to introduce to you and welcome to the Pet Fun Run family, our dear Mama's Cradle, with, of course, together with the representative, let us call on Miss Karina.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming over, and I'm impressed. And I'm really privileged to be chosen by the group, by the team, na kami maging beneficiary ng inyong event. I know a lot of people here coming over because they are runners. And many of you are pet lovers, animal lovers. I'm an addict. Huwag niyo ako papahuli. Wag po. Mama's Cradle was built out of love, from the heart. We do a lot of things. We rescue, we file cases, we take care of animals. Yung mga nakikita ng strays, we also feed. Whatever you see in social media, recently we have a lot in social media that sometimes it makes us cry, it makes us depressed, na parang bakit ganito nakakruel ang tao. We see a lot of abuse, neglect, and animal cruelty all around us. Social media is escalating everything and showing it straight to our faces. Sad, yes. But it's not always about thinking. It's also about action. It's about compassion, it's about heart. What do you do when you see a stray dog and nanghihing na? What do you do when you see a dog na nasagasaan? Posting in social media can help because we can find help. Doing something like giving water or excess food na lang, natira-tira nyo na lang, kasi ikapon mo sa basura, maybe you find a certain area in your subdivision na wala masyadong bahay, and put that there. Isang tub of water, nang lalagyan ng ice cream na nagamit mo, will save a life. A little food na sobrang itatapon nyo na lang, will help to give that dog or a cat extra energy to find the next meal. A little compassion goes a long way. So mula doon nagmula ang Mama's Crate. This is low tide. We are about half hectare property in Cavite, Laguna. Nasa bundok po kami. It's by the lake, ganda. Pwede tumakbo, may hill, or meron din kalsada. I sold 3 house and lots. 1 SUV. All my jewelries, antique furnitures. Sarili ko nga, pinagbibili ko na, wala lang taker eh. Makakainis. Matanda na daw ako. Kasi I'm already 60. I just turned 60 this March. Happy birthday ka, So, yun. Maybe sa ibang medyo bata pa, you still cannot feel or find that drive or that feeling na to do something more. Yung charity work, yung work of compassion from the heart, yung sacrifice. Kasi pag bata ka pa, marami ka pang gustong gawin para sa sarili mo. Kasi matanda na ako, been there, done that, name it, baka nagawa ko na. At this point in time, pag nagkaedad ka na, you find purpose. Try to look for that focus. You want inspiration. And you want to inspire others. At saka gusto mo magkabuluhan yung buhay mo kasi baka kuling ka na ni Lord. Makabawi ka man lang. So this place was built for the animals. The last house that I have where I live in Better Living Paranaque, walking distance to SM Bikutan, pinagbili ko po para matayo po ito. Nakatira na lang ako sa 2.5 by 5 meter na kwarto. Kasama ko pa ilang pusa at puting na inaalagaan. We have 200 plus animals right now. Some of them, the seniors, have passed away. Some of them were adopted. Madaling maampon yung lahi. Yung walang lahi, yung mga asking. And most of the time, I rescue yung mga critically ill o mga dismembered or disabled. But if you want to visit, we have a glass camp also in the area. You can take the video for you. I think there's a nasa cellphone. Oh, sorry. So, ayan. So, yun yung, I created the space kasi kailangan self-sufficient ka. You know a lot of groups in social media in the news, yung mga malalaking grupo. Sikat sila. Lagi sila. You see them here and there and everywhere. Okay, we all do our part to help the animals, to be part of animal welfare. Kanya-kanyang sorte yan. Ang sa akin kasi, like every one of you, these are some of the animals that we rescued. Yung isa dyan, butas yung diin. May balahibo na lang siya. Ito, bulat po yung black. Yung isang black na nandoon na naglalaro. Ingat sa yung bibig niya. So, this is part of my house. Yung iba pa, na plano kong gawing sala, nagilalagyan na. Yung isa po paralyzed kasi kaya nandun siya sa loob. This is only one part. Nasa may bahay ko lang, madali kumuha. Marami kaming enclosures na merong 50 plus, more, iba-iba. Ang hirap kasi kumuha ng video. So, I take in the critical cases, yung mga kawawa. Kasi sila yung mahirap. Mahirap alagaan, mahirap pagkalingin. It's Mama's Cradle because sa animals have no one. Sino tutulong sa makita mong pinakaladkad yung paa sa kalsada? How much will it cost para ipagabot siya? How long will it take para mapalakad siya ulit? Or others hindi na talaga makakalakad, lumpo na lang sila for life. Who will take them in? Who will give them good space? Ito po yung Mama's Cradle. Pinaganda ko ng konti. Kasi dating gubat. If you see, maraming puno, iingitin ko kayo. Ang init sa Metro Manila, doon sa amin malamig. Opo. Parang Tagaytay weather kami, and this beside the lake. So, ayan po siya. Kaya sabi ko nga, our property becomes 2.5 hectares pag low tide, pag summer. Kasi umuurong yung lake, lumalaki yung lote. Pero yung amin talaga, wala pang half hectare. So ayan po, nagkaroon din kami ng maliit na camp for those who want to enjoy the beautiful nature. Nasa loob po yung mga rescues natin. Meron silang enclosure sa likuran. Tapos sa mga hikers, trekkers, o sa mga mahilig tumakbo, sa taas po nito, merong uphill, tapos may kalsada po ng mahaba na concrete if you want to run, wake up in the morning. Sa mga mahilig sa hayop, kung hayop na tao, aray ko. So doon po, marami kaming birds kasi nung ginawa yung kalsada, ang daming pinutol ng puno, may mga sinulog pa sila doon, nagkainit sila. So kami naman, tanim ng tanim, puro puno, dumami naman yung mga ibon sa amin. Kaya mga bird watchers, if you want to listen to the sound of these birds chirping in the morning or in the afternoon, or yung sa sunset na makikita mo yung mga umuuwing mga ibon papunta dun sa mga puno, it's a nice place to be. Why did I do this? Kasi po, for Mama's Cradle na hindi kilala, sino mga orgs na kilala niyo for animals? May I ask? Sino yung familiar na yun? Name one. Pause. Number 1. More? AKF, Potion Project, and others na malalaking group. Sa kanila, with the flip of finger, things can happen. For some people, body reckoning, you know that for a fact. Na parang, kasi ako sa leading sikap. Sa kanila, buo na nung pumasok sila sa organization under the foreigners. Ang hirap sa isang katulad ko, who is an OKI? Home. Alone. And I'm proud to say, LGBT po ako. Senior na LGBT. Parang hindi ka panipaniwala, di ba? Parang who will trust me? Who will believe in me? I started being active in social media just for the past 2 years. Finally, sabi ko nga, minsan kasi ang mga tao, no? Kung ano yung kilala kasi, yun lang. And sometimes, you have to strive more. You have to prove yourself more. Laging, ang buhay naman ng katulad namin, is ganun eh. You have to prove yourself 5 times more than the normal man or woman. So finally, the past 3 years, medyo nakilala ang Mama's Cradle. Nakita sa social media. Why? Kasi nakaka-relate karamihan ng pet owners, mga pet lovers, animal lovers. Because what I speak about is what we feel, what we do, what we want to give and to do for our pets. Hindi yung nasa cellphone lang ako, I'm creating this event, ganito tayo. Magkakapon kami, join us, we're selling products, and the donation box, Gora. Ang Mama's Cradle wala. Wawa. Pero hindi kami kawawa. Because we have heaven. We have a paradise for us. For these animals. Na dati nasa stray lang sa kalsada, na kawawa, na sinaktan, inabuso, neglected, and abused. Now they have a hope. And I'm thankful for this group for choosing us. Thank you for Miss Lynette for endorsing, Lizette for endorsing us. Kasi through the years, nakita niyo yung ginagawa namin. Sometimes, maraming hindi tayo nakikita sa social media. Social media can be a boon and a bane. The truth becomes a lie, and the lie becomes the truth. So be careful when you choose your charities. So salamat po ng marami. And I hope dumami pa kayo para dun sa event. Kasi beneficiary kami. Yung extra taong pupunta doon and whatever proceeds na may bibigay, tutulong nila sa amin. Kahit 1 kilong dog food o 1 kilong bigas, will feed. Sorry. Sabi nyo, ibabayad nyo. For every peso na matatanggap namin will help feed a cripple, a blind, a senior dog. O may sakit doon sa amin or those who have become healthy. Pumili ako ng gulay sa palengke kasi all our animals eat gulay. Kasi gusto pa healthy sila. It's not just a shelter na tatambakan ko dahil ni-rescue ko tulad sa social media. We give them another chance We give them another life, better life, a hope. And I know you also want that. So pagsali niyo dito, and please, pakikahalat po, parang awa niyo na. Parang awa niyo, load ako. Sige na po, please po. Para mas dumami tayo. Mas dumami kayo, mas masaya tayo. And on that event, I will bring some of my babies for you to see. Kaya hindi tayo masyadong prepared sa before and after for you to see some of our rescues. But you can visit Mama's Cradle Animal Sanctuary page and see what we really do. And you will see the difference. And a lot of pet owners will follow us and see us because they know and can relate to what we really do. It is not just an organization. It has a big one. And it is a home for the unfortunate animals.
Thank you so much. And that is indeed a very heartfelt message from our beneficiary, Mama's Cradle. So more the reason for you to spread the word and invite people to join the Pet Fun Land Fun Run activity happening on May 25 here in Alabang Town Center. And with that being said, I want to hear the energy of all our runners na makakasama and running groups na makakasama natin. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you know how the drill is. When I call you a running group, I want to feel your energy and give me a scream. Where are our friends from? LS Running Community! Ayun! Darwin Rock Club! Para sa wala, naka-Darwin ako. Darwin Rock Club, where are you? There you go. Adidas and Rockwell Run Club. There you go. Ginger White. Oh yeah, you're as white as Ginger, that's why. Where are our friends from Fitmar Philippines? Favorite ko to cargo loading. Okay, and where is MSG Runner? Who's si MSG Runner? Bakit po MSG? MSC. MSC Runner. Sino naglagay ng linya ko? Okay, where is Ron Caster? Saan po si Ron Caster? Hi, sir. Welcome. Glide and go! RWP! BRW! There you go. Hello. Ay, naku, ito suke. Active Pinas! Okay. Almost speedy. Okay. RWP. Okay. Team One Direction. What is the Lord? Stupid and pink ko na ito nakikita itong grupo na to. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, you know, lalo na sa mga regulars po namin dito sa JNE events, we've always been doing normal races, bubble run, may mga pet run na rin kami from other events. But this one, sabi ko nga kay Nika kanina, it is the run na combine ang humans and pets in one gun start. So this is a really, kasi usually ang pets nakahiwalayan. So now, we have combined ang pets and humans, isa lang sila ng gun start in 1, 3, and 5 kilometers. But of course, the 10 kilometers are for the hardcore human beings only. Okay? Huwag natin gagawin ng ating mga pets. Okay? Parang wait lang ko na kaya ng 10K. I think the big dogs can. The very big dogs can. Oo, yung sanay na mag-run with the human. But mostly, medium-sized babies, up to 5 kilometers at maximum, you know, please take care of their heart as you take care of your heart. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any further more questions, we are opening the panel. We have the representatives from Triumph Collective, the team of very empowered women. Include mo na ako. Girl power kami dito. Okay, so for your question, the floor is now open for ano po yung clarifications that you want to know. Sino ba pwedeng dalhin? Ilang dogs for human beings? Anybody? First question. Okay, may weight requirement po ba? Wala po. Dito. Okay, oh, may weight requirement po ba? Ayan. Sino po may question, ma'am? While nandito pa po tayo. Yes, ma'am. Please come forward. Let's go. Please state your name, your publication, so Miss Ika will know.
Hi, hello. My name is Angela from Love Video Angel. So, aking naka-cut ako ngayon. Pero my question is kasi regarding to the foundation that we will, para support po. I just wanna ask, ano po yung mga, what makes you choose these foundations na you're going to, support po? And ano po yung mga program other than the fund runs? Ano po yung mga programa that you're going to facilitate para i-help yung ating mga aswings po, yung mga pets po, especially marami din tayo mga pets in the streets na kailangan nilang magiging pagmamahal at support. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna answer the question. So actually po we started the Pet Fun Land because we wanted to express our love for pets, and also we wanted, because our lifestyle is diba? Medyo sikat kasi ang runs na ngayon. But naiiwan kasi yung parang lifestyle and yung advocacy din for the pets. And the reason why we chose naman Mama's Cradle, it's because they were recommended by our good friend from PCCI. We don't wanna, kumbaga, hindi naman, we don't wanna disregard naman the biggest or the bigger companies that are supporting pets. But we wanted kasi to help, namili talaga kami ng charity or ng foundation that we really wanted to help. And that's why we chose Mama's Cradle. We felt the sincerity of the project, and also we felt that they really need more. And we wanted to give them an opportunity also for exposure. Kasi like what Ma'am Karina said earlier, she is not really in the limelight. Wala siya sa social media. So I think it's best for them also to have this exposure together with our corporation as well. And this pet fund is not just gonna happen ng isang beses. So this will be we are actually in coordination or in collaboration with different lifestyle malls. Meron na kaming on the works in talks with other malls din, not only with Ayala, that wanted to help spread the word and wanted to help Pet Fun Land to grow also, together with the foundation that we will be supporting. So, yun lang po. Thank you. Thank you for the question. I need questions.
Since PCCI representative is also here, I would like to take this opportunity. I have a project with PCCI. Because of the new law in the Senate, it was passed. Second hearing and the second reading, it passed already under Grace po. So, I have a meeting, and in fact, we have a project with PCCI with regards to responsible pet ownership. And in tandem with you, and I'm offering this to your group. Because PCCI will be backing up some of our outreach missions. So as you were saying kanina na, ano pa yung gagawin ng team to help the strays and the animals, yung mga needy. So I'm offering this to them to work hand in hand with you pag may event kayo with other malls. We can do like free vaccinations. I can provide some volunteer vets who will do free vaccinations for the participants, sa mga alaga nila. At the same time, we can also do free kapon or low cost kapon. And other thing, for example, just a suggestion na pwede very feasible na gawin natin, nasa fun run na ganyan, may makita tayong straight feeding tayo.
Yeah, pwede.
Diba? Parang may magawa pa tayo iba. It's not just work na sa giving to us. And kasi ako, pag nakakatanggapin ako, I also share it to others. Kung may sobra, sige na lang din. Kaya, I hope this answers your question. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for the question. Anybody pa po? Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Ivan from Tawad Philippines. So my question kasi, I'm curious about the price split kasi yung 1K with a dog is, or with a pet is 900, then 3K is 1K, pero yung walang pet, flat rate na 1K. So what's the reason for that?
Yeah. Well, we just, lang po, parang standardize lang po the fees. Kasi yun nga po, kaya po dun sa mga other categories. And then, also then, para kasi, yun nga, parang sa Mama's Cradle din naman kasi mapupunta yung part of the proceeds. So, that's why na nag-standardize na kami for the humans-only category po.
So does that mean parang we are being encouraged to join a cheaper price and join with a pet?
Alan po?
Does this mean that parang we're being encouraged to join a cheaper rate with a pet?
Yes. Talagang ang naman po natin, yung run itself is with the pets. So, yun yung mas in-encourage natin. Pero syempre yun nga, dahil tinopen lang natin sa humans also. So, yun po. Tama po.
Thank you.
So again, the rates are more affordable when you're going to run with a pet. Sabi nga, kung ika-gun start ko yan, magkasama na ang aso at saka tao. But for humans, whether you're not running with a pet, you pay the same price na lang. This is also for those na syempre wants to maintain an active lifestyle, gusto lang mag-run, or wala naman silang pet pero gusto makapag-run with some pet. So that is of course the reason for that. Okay? Sir, maraming salamat po. Ms. Nika, maraming salamat po. Any more questions po? Opo. Ilang pets ang pwedeng dalhin per humans?
Oh,
Yan ang mga question na hihiya silang itanong eh.
okay.
Baka naman yung 50 dogs ni Ma'am, isang buhatan lang.
Pero, yun nga, ano lang namin is, kasi nga, di ba, yung base kit kasi is 1:1. So, with the pet is 1 for human and then 1 set for the pets. Di ba, yung may bandana, the metal, and meron silang sariling pet race bib. Kaya, actually, yun nga, mas maraming makukuha dun sa magkasama yung pet.
Pets.
So, pero, yun nga, kunyari, 3 yung pets mo.
Tatlo din yung race kit na
Oo,
i-apply.
yun yung kailangan.
So, priority is the pet.
Yes.
Okay. Medyo saling-kat-kat pala tayong mga tao dito.
Oo.
Okay. So, the priority is the pet. So, 1:1, 1 handler per dog. Okay, so
But if you're training another dog, pero hindi naman nila gusto ng, kunyari, okay lang kahit wala na siyang bandana or race whip, it's okay lang din po. Pwede
Okay.
naman din.
at least it's all clear. Oo. Kagaya ng dog ko, pagod na na 1K, bubuhatin ko na ng isa yun. Kasi isa lang yung maglalakad, diba? Yung mga dogs kasi namin threshold sila sa cardio nila. Okay, uupo na lang siya doon. Okay, any more questions po, ma'am, sir? Okay, size of the dogs, max limit.
Okay, yung sizes of the dogs, yun nga, dun, yung small breeds, yun yung doon sa 1K we encourage. And then for 3K, yung medium size. And then for the 5K is yung mga large breed na dogs.
Kasama pati Great Dane at Giant Poodle, Miss Nika.
Pwede, yes. Mga vet po natin dito, BCCI. Yan, considered ano po sila. Yung
Considered XL dogs sila.
Pero, kunyari, gusto nila 1K lang yung i-run nung large, okay lang naman din. Pero, yung dun sa pag-top winners, dapat dun sa 1K, yung smaller dogs. Parang di ba pag sa kids, oo, yung sa humans, di ba, parang kung kahit tumakbo yung mga matatanda sa kids category,
Sandbagging.
ay kids pa rin, syempre hindi yung humans, gano'n. So,
Okay. In some competitions, it's called sandbagging. You know, you're running such an easy
we really
competition.
recommend na parang body pet run ito. Yun po.
Okay. Yes, sir. May question pa po si sir.
Separate ba yung winners list for the all human division and the win test division?
Oh, sa humans?
Yeah. Separate yung winners kasi yung mga winners pala mga matalo pa.
Opo, kasi siguro check din namin with the results ng registration. For now kasi, we really encourage yung body ng pet and human ang
Pets are
mananalo sa
priority.
1, 3, and 5 kilometers. Pero sa 10 kilometers, yun yung humans. Na top 3 male and female, gano'n. So, pagdating doon sa with dogs, with pets, yun, top 3 male, female with their pets.
Okay. Take note po, pets are a priority. Baka naman po buhatin na lang ng runner yung aso. Hindi na mag-enjoy yung aso, di ba?
Pero yun po, syempre, we encourage yung safety test din po natin. Kaya nga po, meron din po tayo mga vets during that day and during that run. We make sure na meron din po tayong mga yung mga feeding bowls and yung mga water din para sa pets. So, dun sa mga water stations natin, maglalagay din kami. Para, syempre, dapat sila din, especially sila, hydrated din po. Yeah.
But if my dog's gonna run, tatambay yan dun sa treat station. Okay. Ma'am, you have a question po. Please state your name, your publication, and to who do you want to address it.
Please order ko Malaya Sisintay. Ang question ko lang is, during the event talaga, yung actual event, merong registration both of the human and the pet.
Yes po.
Right? Tapos, meron ba doon na we have to declare if, for example, hindi pa siya na really vaccination sa anti-rabies. Kasi hindi pa siya na vaccine. It's going to be declared.
Yes, opo. Doon po sa registration form po namin, nandun po na talagang sana po in-encourage po namin na vaccinated po, updated po yung vaccine po na, lalo na yung anti-rabies po, opo. Pero the others naman pwede naman po. Pero yun, as much as possible, kailangan po. Kaya nandun nga rin po sila Bureau of Animal Industry to check also our permits kasi yun din na kailangan po daw na ganun po yung mga vaccinated yung pets. Kasi for everyone din naman na safety po natin lahat yun. So, we encourage also responsible for renting. Kaya po, yun po yung encourage natin na lahat po sana ng pets na dadating is updated po ang kanilang vaccination record.